Experience intense skin repair with Eucerin Intensive Repair Lotion, iHerb product review. Welcome back, skincare enthusiasts. Today, we have an amazing product to share with you that will revolutionize your skincare routine. Get ready to discover the Eucerin Intensive Repair Lotion, fragrance-free, a powerful lotion designed to provide intense skin repair. And guess what? We have an exclusive discount code for you, CMZ0762. So, let's jump right in and explore the wonders of this product. Dry, rough, and flaky skin can be a real struggle, but worry no more because Eucerin, a trusted brand known for its dermatologist-recommended products, has formulated the Intensive Repair Lotion to address these concerns head-on. What sets Eucerin Intensive Repair Lotion apart is its advanced formula, specially designed to provide deep hydration and long-lasting relief. This fragrance-free lotion is perfect for those with sensitive skin or those who prefer unscented products. One of the remarkable features of Eucerin Intensive Repair Lotion is its fast-absorbing formula. It quickly penetrates the skin, delivering targeted hydration to the areas that need it most, without leaving a greasy or sticky residue behind. This means you can apply it and go about your day without any inconvenience. The key ingredient in Eucerin Intensive Repair Lotion is alpha-hydroxy acid, AHA, which works wonders in gently exfoliating the skin surface, removing dead skin cells, and promoting cell renewal. This helps to reveal smoother, softer, and healthier-looking skin over time. With regular use, Eucerin Intensive Repair Lotion can significantly improve the texture and appearance of your skin. It deeply moisturizes and nourishes, tackling roughness, dry patches, and flakiness head-on. Say goodbye to dull, lackluster skin and hello to a radiant and revitalized complexion. Now, let's talk about where you can get your hands on this incredible product. Eucerin Intensive Repair Lotion is available on the iHerb website, a trusted online retailer for skincare and wellness products. They offer a wide range of high-quality items to cater to your specific needs. And the best part? You can enjoy an exclusive discount using our code, CMZ0762. To purchase the Eucerin Intensive Repair Lotion, simply visit iHerb's website, search for the product, and add it to your cart. During checkout, don't forget to apply the discount code CMZ0762. It's a fantastic opportunity to save while achieving intense skin repair. And that's a wrap for our review of the Eucerin Intensive Repair Lotion. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. Get ready to transform your skin with this exceptional product. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and product reviews. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, keep your skin healthy and glowing.